Hello everyone. Today we are going to continue with our same chapter that we have already started, that is the reproductive health. And in that category we have discussed about some of the contraceptive devices, and now we are going to start with the intrauterine contraceptive devices. As the name itself indicate that it is a sort of device which is going to be kept inside the uterus. That is the reason it is under the name of the intrauterine device, that is IUDs. Okay, so another effective and popular method is the use of the intrauterine devices, and these devices are basically inserted by the doctors or the expert nurses. The person cannot itself put that device into the uterus. Okay, and these intrauterine devices are basically presently available as a non-medicated IUDs. Example: Life Loop, copper releasing IUDs, that is copper T, CUT, CU7, multi-load 375. Okay, I'll tell you one thing, that whenever you are going to be asked a question regarding the intrauterine devices, then you should know these examples like copper releasing IUDs, then it is CUT, CU7, like multi-load 375, and the hormone releasing IUDs are progestat and LNG20. So this Progesta as well as LNG20, these are basically the hormone releasing IUDs. Okay, and next, IUDs increasing phagocytosis of sperm. How they are going to act? This is also the important question. If the person has got inserted these devices, then how it is going to kill the sperm, or what will be the action, how it is going to prevent the contraception, okay, from the person from conceiving. So these IUDs increase phagocytosis. तो ये उसका आंसर है कि IUDs लगाने के बाद में क्या होगा, phagocytosis चालू हो जाएगी. Phagocytosis basically stands for like the sort of cells which are going to engulf the sperms will be there. Okay, it increased phagocytosis of sperms within the uterus, and the copper ions released suppress sperm मोटिलिटी. और जो कॉपर आयन रिलीज होगा वो क्या करेगा, स्पर्म की मोटिलिटी उसका मोटाइल होना, एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाना, तो उसको कम करेगा. एंड द फर्टिलाइजिंग कैपेसिटी जो होगी स्पर्म की, उसको भी कम करेगा. तो हाउ इट हैज गोइंग टू वर्क, फाइगोसाइटोसिस ऑफ द स्पर्म इंक्रीज कर दिया जाएगा. कॉपर आयंस जो होंगे वो स्पर्म की मोटिलिटी को डिप्रेस करेंगे. ओके, एज वेल एज उसकी फर्टिलाइजिंग कैपेसिटी को भी सप्रेस कर देंगे. द हार्मोन रिलीजिंग आईयूडीज इन एडिशन makes a uterus unsuitable for implantation. और कैसे काम करेगा, if the person has used this copper T or the contraceptive device that is made up of copper basically, तो ये क्या करेगा, basically it is going to help to make the uterus unsuitable for implantation. तो अगर फर्टिलाइजेशन होता भी है तो इम्प्लांटेशन होने से रोक दिया जाएगा. And the cervix hostile to the sperms. Okay, now IUDs are ideal contraceptives for the females who want to delay pregnancy and or to space the children, and it is one of the most widely accepted method of contraception in India. तो इंडिया में सबसे ज्यादा यूज होने वाला जो मेथड है कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव, दैट इज IUDs, intrauterine devices. Now, next category is the oral doses, oral administration of doses or the pills. Oral administration of small doses of either progestogens or प्रोजेस्टोजेन ईस्ट्रोजेन. ये क्या है, ये फीमेल हार्मोन है. ठीक है, प्रोजेस्टेरॉन, ईस्ट्रोजेन. ठीक है, तो उसके कॉम्बिनेशन को यूज किया गया है पिल्स बनाने में. इज अनदर कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव मेथड यूज बाय द फीमेल्स. And how they are going to use, they are used in the form of tablets and hence are popularly called the pills. You might have heard about the pills like Maladi, Saheli. So all these are all these are contraceptive devices. So they are used in the form of pills and they are taken orally, as well as other also pills are available which is taken vaginally. Pills have to be taken daily for the period of 21 days, starting preferably within the first 5 days of the menstrual cycle. तो ये pills लेना कब start किया जाता है, menstrual cycle के 5 days में, ठीक है, nearly 5th day or 4th day within the first 5 days of the menstrual cycle, and after a gap of 7 days during which menstruation occur, it has to be repeated, and the next cycle के 7 days के gap में इसको फिर से repeat करना होगा in the same pattern till the female desire to prevent conception. कब तक कंटिन्यू किया जा सकता है? जब तक फीमेल चाहे नेक्स्ट चाइल्ड में जो आपका स्पेसिंग करना चाहे तब तक. They inhibit ovulation and implantation as well as alter the quality of cervical mucus. So how they are going to work? They are going to inhibit the ovulation. So let's डिस्कस कि ये कैसे काम करता है. ये क्या करेगा? इनहिबिट करेगा ओवुलेशन को, ओवुलेशन होने से रोकेगा, एंड इफ ओवुलेशन इज देयर तो इम्प्लांटेशन होने से रोक दिया जाएगा, एज वेल एज ऑल्टर द क्वालिटी ऑफ सर्विकल म्यूकस. सो implantation क्यों नहीं होगा? बिकॉज सर्विकल म्यूकस विल बी वेरी थिन, तो इट विल नॉट लेट द इम्प्लांटेशन टू बी हैपन, टू प्रिवेंट रिटार्ड एंट्री ऑफ द स्पर्म, एंड रिटार्ड कर दी जाएगी स्पर्म की एंट्री या फिर प्रिवेंट हो गई. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, pills are very effective with lesser side effect. pills का इफेक्ट यूजुअली बहुत कम होता है, बट in some of the females it has seen that some are feeling the sort of stomach pain, vomiting, giddiness, these sort of sensations are there, but in some cases only. And Saheli, the new oral contraceptive for the females, contain this is a oral contraceptive pills. Okay, it is a non-steroidal preparation, and it is a once a week pill with very few side effects. So once in a week this pill is need to be taken, and it is not having any side effect, as well it is having the high contraceptive value also. Now, प्रोजेस्टोजेंस अलोन और इन कॉम्बिनेशन, तो दो तरीके की टैबलेट्स होती है इसमें. बेसिकली कुछ प्रोजेस्टोजेंस पे ही होती हैं और कुछ होती है कॉम्बिनेशन के साथ में, प्रोजेस्टोजेंस प्लस ईस्ट्रोजेंस का कॉम्बिनेशन. ठीक है. इट कैन ऑल्सो बी यूज बाय फीमेल्स एज इंजेक्शन, और इंजेक्शन के फॉर्म में भी कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव डिवाइसेस दिए जाते हैं, और इट कैन बी इम्प्लांट अंडर द स्किन, और स्किन के अंदर इम्प्लांट भी किया जा सकता है. Their mode of action is similar to that of pills, and how they are working, they are acting similar to the pills, and their effective period are much longer. So it is basically its validity is having the longer duration. Now, administration of progestogens or progestogen estrogen in a combination or IUDs within the 72 hours of coitus have been found to be very effective. After the coitus also, if the person has not taken any sort of contraception, so within the 72 hours, if the person is going to take this contraception like progestogens or progestogen plus estrogen or IUDs, then the conceiving can be stopped, have been found to be very effective as emergency contraceptive, as they could be used to avoid possible pregnancy due to rape or casual unprotected intercourse. Next in this category is a surgical method. Surgical method itself indicate that कुछ surgery की जा रही है, the tube needs to be cut. Okay, so surgical method is also called sterilization. क्यों? क्योंकि after going for this surgical method, because these method are irreversible, then the person is going to be sterile. It will not be able to produce more young ones after going through this method. It is permanent sort of method. Okay, irreversible in nature. Are generally advised for the male or female partner as a terminal method to prevent any more. So here in the picture you are able to see. Here you are able to see this tube got cut down over here and it got ligated. बंद किया गया उसको दोनों तरफ से. So that whatever the sperm is going to be generated in this one, it need not to be transported. Okay, the sperm transportation band. Okay, next thing, in this part, this is a fallopian tube is going to be cut down so that whatever the ovum is going to be produced, it should not come for the fertilization. Okay. So surgical intervention blocks gamete transport. So gamete transport, you have seen the sperm ka transportation, ovum ka transportation स्टॉप हो गया, एंड देयर बाय प्रिवेंट कॉन्ट्रासेप्शन कंसेप्शन, सॉरी, तो कंसीव करने में ये क्या होगा, इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी हेल्पफुल बिकॉज वट एवर द गैमेट्स आर गोइंग टू बी प्रोड्यूस, इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी ट्रांसपोर्टेड टू फाइनल डेस्टिनेशन. स्टरलाइजेशन प्रोसीजर इन अ मेल इज कॉल्ड वेसेक्टोमी. जब मेल में उसकी ट्यूबेक्ट सॉरी वेसेक्टोमी की जाती है, वास्ट डिफरेंस को कट कर दिया जाता है, देन इट इज नोन एज बेसिकली वेसेक्टोमी. एंड इन केस ऑफ फीमेल, व्हेन दिस fallopian duct is going to be cut down and ligated, then it is known as pubectomy. In vasectomy, a small part of the vas deferens is removed or tied up through a small incision. Incision मतलब cut करने से on the scrotum, whereas in pubectomy, a small part of the fallopian tube is removed. उसमें क्या करेंगे, fallopian tube का एक छोटा सा segment remove करके both side are going to be bent and tied up through a small incision in the abdomen or through vagina. And these techniques are highly effective, but their reversibility is very poor. So this is only the problem which is related to the surgical method. These are the methods which are basically irreversible sort of method. And it need to be emphasized that the selection of suitable contraceptive method and its use should always be undertaken in consultation with qualified medical professional. So while going for this contraceptive devices, the person should take the advice of the doctor whether the person should go for these sort of surgical method or the pills is going to suitable for them or the barrier method. One must also remember that the contraceptives are not regular requirement for the maintenance of reproductive health. In fact, they are practiced against a natural reproductive event, that is conception and pregnancy. तो ये किस चीज के लिए यूज किया जाता है, कंसेप्शन या प्रेगनेंसी को रोकने के लिए. One is forced to use these method either to prevent pregnancy or to delay, या फिर डिले करने के लिए, और फिर अदर थिंग और टू create a space in between the pregnancy due to personal reason. No doubt the widespread use of these methods have a significant role in checking uncontrolled growth of population, and these contraceptive devices are also going to play an important role in population control also. And however, there are possible ill effects. So what may be the effect? That is nausea, abdominal pain, breakthrough bleeding, might be bleeding in case of some females, okay, or some are having the problems like irregular menstrual cycles, okay, bleeding, or even breast cancer, through not very significant, should not be totally ignored. So these are the some of the problems which are related to these contraceptive devices. So this was all about the contraception devices for today, and in the next video we are going to talk about the medical termination of the pregnancy. By that time, go through this much. Thank you.